Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today's video I will teach you how to change language on Snapchat. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to your Snapchat application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Snapchat, click the profile picture on the upper left side on your screen. And click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay guys, here in settings, find the language and click this. Okay guys, here in language, you can change your language. For my example, I am a Filipino and I change my language into Filipino. So okay, you can select the language, and after you select the language, the pop-up will show and you can see the app will restart while your new language settings. Okay guys, after you click the change, the application are restart. So okay, click change. Okay guys, the application are restart and the language of my application are changed. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.